we can use formulas in spreadsheets to act a bit like a calculator where we can add, subtract, multiply and divide and do other things. So to add two numbers together, I'm going to go into the cell that I want to create the total in, the answer in, and up here I'm just going to write equals, and I want to do A2 plus B2. So I'm just going to write A2 plus B2, and you'll see as before that we've got the colours related to the cells that I'm referencing here. Just going to press enter and it's going to add them up. Google Sheets is great. It's got this autofill that shows what it predicts. Okay, if you've done one of these, you think that it's going to do A2 add B2, then it thinks it's going to do A3 add B3, and so on and so on. It's not always right, so it is worth just double checking that it's done the right thing. Now, why do we need to do this? Well, I could add up these numbers in my head and reach a total. I don't know exactly what the total is, but let's just say that the total here was 90,000, for example. That's more likely to be, yeah, let's call it 90,000. If this number in here changed to like this, for example, then this number won't update. But remember, if this cell updates now, then this answer is going to update because this is referencing the cells. So this here where we've just written the answer, that's what we call hard coding, where we just write in the answer using a calculator or a head or another application, but actually we should be referencing the cells. So let me show you that one more time. This time I'm going to do A3 because it's A3 I want to add B3 and press enter, and again the autofill comes up as a suggestion for me. To do subtraction, it's very similar. This time I'm going to write equals A2 subtract B2, like that. And again, I get my autofill come up. So that's A2 take away B2. To multiply, we would do A2, and it's star B2. Again, autofill comes up, which is great. And then finally, to divide, we would do equals A2, and it's this backslash and then B2. Interestingly, the autofill didn't come up for me there. So let me just check A3 divided by B3 and so on and so on. So interesting, it's not. If it doesn't come up, remember you can drag the blue circle down and it should copy the right formula function into the right cells for you. So let's do something a little bit more complicated now. I've got some items here with its price, the quantity, and then the total. To work out the total, I need to multiply these two cells together. So in here, I'm going to write equals B2. It's multiply, so it's going to be star C2, and it's going to give me the total that I want for here. And remember, I can drag this blue circle down. Now, say I want to give them a discount. So I want to give all of these a discount. There's a couple of ways that I can do this. So I could do equals B2 star C2 take away 100, and you'll see that works too. That works as well. I could, because I've already done the total here, so instead of doing the B2 star D2, I could have just done D2 subtract 100, which will give me the same answer and actually will work the same. Say if this cell here updates, then they will both update as well. So both of them work fine. Now say I want to add on 20 to the text. So again, I could do the whole thing. I could do equals B2 star, which is multiply C2, and then I'm going to take 100 and add 20 onto it, something like that. And you'll see that that works out. That works fine, that works perfectly. But again, I could have just done all of this here is referencing what's in E2, take away 20. It will give me the same answer. And again, if this updates, these will update, but it's just a different way of showing the basic formulas there. So we had, if you remember, equals, and we had the two cell references A2 and B2. And again, I could have added in a third one here. It could have been A4, adding 3 numbers there together, and that would work just as well. You can add multiple cell references together. The subtraction, we did the cell reference subtract the other cell reference. For multiply, remember that it's the star symbol, so the first cell reference multiplied by the second cell reference. And then for division, we had the backslash here, so first cell reference A2 backslash the second cell reference.